Hello, good morning. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the operation of sets. Before going to start this operation of sets, initially we discuss about the universal sets. Universal set means what? How can you define it? Universal set is a set that contains all the sets in a given context is called the universal set, denoted by what? U. মানে তোমাৰ এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ যদি কিছুমান সেট পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এটা যদি মই সেট কনসিডাৰ কৰোঁ তাৰ পৰা কিছুমান সাবসেট ল'বা সেই সাবসেটখিনি যে তুমি ল'লা সেইখিনি ক'ৰ পৰা লৈছা অৰিজিনেল কোনবা এটা সেট আছে অৰিজিনেল যেটো সেট আছে ন দিস সেট ইজ নোন এজ হোৱাট ইউনিভাৰ্সেল সেট সেই সেটটোক জেনেৰেলি কি বুলি কোৱা হ'ব ইউনিভাৰ্সেল সেট এজ এ এক্সাম্পল if you consider a equal to what 1 2 3 b equal to 2 4 5 6 and c equal to 1 3 5 7 then u equal to 1 2 3 4 5 7 ta mane a b aru c tinita set kot khomai ase tomar u include hoy ase asan asan a set ot 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 4 5 6 2 4 5 6 always where in u 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7 always are in what u. Therefore the u is equal to this one which is known as what universal set. Tak ki boli koha hoy generally universal set boli koha hoy. Okay, now here we discuss the operation on sets. In generally ami jetia arithmetic operation bilak ami discuss koru tat ki asle tomar addition subtraction multiplication division, these are known as what arithmetic operation. Similarly operation on sets we use the operations are what union of sets, intersection of sets, disjoint of sets, difference of sets, symmetric difference of two sets and complement of a set. These things only we discuss. Okay, initially we discussed the union of sets. Union means what? When you consider any two sets, all the elements which are either in A or in B or what both A and B, this one is known as what union. Then A and B jodi duta set ase A and B thoka gotei khini element ok ami ki bili koa union bili kom. Intersection mane hoise A and B duta jodi set moi consider koru tar thoka common element gita. Disjoint mane duita set tomar ki nai tomar common portion du nai. A and B jodi duta set loa tethal tar common portion nai. Difference of sets, when you consider any two sets A and B, A difference B means what? Which are in A but not in B. B difference A hole which are in B but not in A. Symmetric difference mean A difference B or B difference B union khini koa hoy. Okay, complement of a set mane what? Particular set A jodi loisa A complement mane not A, A not thoka khini A not thoka element khini lage he khini hoise tomar complement of a set. Okay, now here we discussed about the union of sets. Okay, union means what? Which are, if we consider any two sets that contains either set A or B or what both A and what B duita majote thakibo. Okay, then this type of this operation is known as what union. Okay, simply when you consider if A and B be two set duta set jodi tumi consider kora, then union of A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs to either to A or to B or to both A and B. Okay, as a set builder form you can define like that. A union B means X, all those elements where axis belongs to A, he element khini kot thakibo pare A set ot thakibo pare, or axis belongs to where B kot thakibo pare he element khini B set ot thakibo pare. As a Venn diagram, if you consider A and B are two sets, then A union B represent what? All this portion, a gotei portion khini, all this shaded portion. Okay, this represent what? A union what? B. Okay, this shaded portion represent what? A union what? B. Now if we consider an example, let me example consider koru. say A equal to, these are the element 1 2 3, and B equal to 3 4 and 5. Okay, now you have to find A union B. A union means, A means what? 1 2 3. Union B means what? 3 4 5. So A union B means what? You have 1 2 ahile, next ki ahibo tomar 3 to ebar he ahibo. Set out monot ase ne, according to the definition of sets. 4 and what? 5. That is the value of what? A union B. Okay, let me Venn diagram to banwa, jodi Venn diagram through tumi define koribo laga hoy এই এক্সাম্পলটো তে কেনেকৈ লিখিম চাবা হা এইটো এটা সেট লৈছো মই এইটো এনাদাৰ সেট বি that is the universal set এইটো universal set this one A this one B এইটো হচ্ছে A আৰু B কমন পোরশন A আৰু B মানে দুইটা সেটৰ A আৰু B কমন এলিমেন্ট কোন আছে 3 এখানে ইয়াত 3 আহিব A সেটটোত কি আছিল what are the element in set A এটা আছিল 1 2 3 3 টো অলৰেডি ললো তেলে 1 আৰু 2 ইয়াত আহি যাব তে A সেটত 1 2 3 B সেটত কি আছিল 3 4 5 3 টো অলৰেডি ললো আমি and other elements are what 4 5 so A union B means what 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 by using Venn diagram you can represent like that okay here we discussed about the intersection of sets intersection means what when you consider any two sets A and B the common element of the given two set which is known as what intersection of two sets and they denoted by this symbol this one A2 symbol it was the intersectional symbol okay let A and B be two set duta set mo consider korisu the intersection of A and B is the set of all those elements that belongs to both A and B that belongs to both what A and B kota ase tomar A aru B duitate homai ase as a set builder form you can define like that A intersection of B equal to X such that X is belongs to A and here ahibo operation is what and X is what belongs to what B okay then this one is known as what intersection of what two set according to Venn diagram this common portion A common portion kini ahibo A intersection B that means A intersection of B is equal to what this portion A portion kini tomar ki ahibo tomar intersection of these two sets in general A intersection of B etu car subset of what A ako A intersection of B also subset of what B B ru ki subset rahibo pare okay from the intersection property clear as an example if you consider A equal to these are the element 1 2 3 and B equal to we consider 3 4 and 5 then A intersection of B ki element ahibo saba 1 2 3 intersection of what 3 4 5 here common element ki ase duita setor kon ache element 3 okay then A intersection of B is equal to what kian pai gola tumi 3 pala okay that is the intersection of what two set next we discussed about the disjoint of sets disjoint of sets and what do you mean by disjoint of sets two set A and B duta set tumi consider kora two sets A and B are said to be disjoint ite disjoint kobo if A intersection of B is equal to 5 that is the main condition A intersection of B equal to 5 A intersection of B equal to 5 means what there is no any common element between what A and B A আৰু B মাজত তোমাৰ কি এলিমেন্ট নাই কেতিয়াও কমন এলিমেন্ট নাই that means if we consider A equal to 1 2 and B equal to we have 3 4 therefore A intersection of B কিমান হ'ব ইহত দুটাৰ পৰা definitely কি হ'ব 5 there is no any common element therefore A and B both are known as what disjoint set in the Venn diagram set kita enake thakibo intersect nokore like that A to weight represent kora thakibo okay etu universal set etu A ahile etu ahile B okay তেতিয়া হলে এই দুটা সেটৰ মাজত কিন থাকে তোমাৰ কমন এলিমেন্ট নাই কমন থাকিলে হে ইয়াত ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰিব যদি ইন্টারসেক্ট কিয় নাই কৰে মানে সেট দুটা কি হৈছে তোমাৰ ডিসজয়েন্ট হৈ আছে জয়েন্ট নাই okay that is the disjoint of a set now I am going to discuss about the difference of sets so what do you mean by difference of sets difference means that when you consider A and B are two sets the difference of A and B is the set of all those elements of A which do not belongs to B that means A difference B means what those elements we consider in set A which are not in B A set of thoka element khini consider korim jikhini element code nai B nai B thoka element to ami common use nokoru ta thik ase that means when you consider in Venn diagram through jodi mo define koru if you consider A and B are two non empty set A আৰু B যদি দুটা মই নন এম্পটি সেট মই কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো লাইক দ্যাট এটো হৈছে তোমাৰ ইউনিভার্সাল সেট তে A ডিফারেন্স B টু কোনটো বুজা কি বুলি কৈছে according to definition those element in set A থকা এলিমেন্ট খিনি আমি কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো which are not in B B লগত ৰিলেটেড পাৰ্ট তো আমি নলও তাৰমানে এইখিনি পাৰ্ট আহিব এইখিনি পাৰ্ট লব নোৱাৰো okay this portion is known as what A defines B ঠিক আছে নেক্সট যদি B defines B এই A part to আহিব এটো হৈ গল তোমাৰ A defines B যদি তোমাক কোৱা যে মই B defines A এটো পার্ট হৈছে তোমাৰ B defines A part এটো কি পার্ট হৈছে তোমাৰ B defines এটো হৈছে B defines A তানে B defines A এটো কোনখিনি আহিলে B defines A এই সেটেড পোরশন এইখিনি সেটেড পোরশন এটো পার্ট okay এইখিনি হচ্ছে তোমার B difference what A okay as an example if we consider A equal to 1 2 3 and B equal to তুমি consider কৰিছা 3 4 5 A difference B 1 2 3 minus what 3 4 5 that means which are in A but not in B A আছে B নাই কোন আছে 1 2 আছে তেতিয়ালে এলিমেন্ট কি আহিলে 1 and 2 আকৌ B difference A কি লিখিম B set is what 3 4 5 minus what 1 2 3 which are in B but not in A কোন থাকিব only 4 and 5 that is the value of what B difference A okay clear not if you consider A equal to 1 2 3 B equal to 3 4 5 then A defines B A means what these are the set of element 1 2 3 B means what 3 4 5 which are in A not in B which are in A but not in B kun thakibo only 1 2 B defines A which are in B but not in A kun thakile only 4 5 that is the answer clear now here we discussed about the symmetric difference between what these two sets symmetric difference to no ki hoy duta setor symmetric difference kak koy okay এই পার্টটি আমি ডিসকাস করব okay now A symmetric difference B let A and B be two sets দুটা সেট কনসিডার কৰিছো the symmetric difference of set A and B is the set A defines B union B defines A and is denoted by this symbol this one A symmetric defines B in set builder form you can define A symmetric defines B is equal to X such that X does not belongs to where A intersection of B ta mane A aru B tumi common portion kini lobo nwar according to Venn diagram through jodi tumi present kora like that এটো এটা সেট লৈছো ইউনিভার্সাল সেট এটো লৈছো মই A this one is B এই পার্টটো কোৱা হয় A ডিফারেন্স B আৰু এটো পার্ট কোৱা হয় B ডিফারেন্স A এই দুইটা পার্টৰ ইউনিয়নটো এই দুইটা পার্টৰ কি কৈছে তোমাৰ ইউনিয়ন পার্টটো মানে A সিমেট্রিক ডিফারেন্স B মানে this setted portion মানে কোনটো পার্ট মই ইউজ নাই কৰা মই এই কমন পার্টটো নাই কৰা ইন্টারসেকশন পার্টটো মই ইউজ কৰা নাই okay this one is known as what A symmetric difference B as an example তুমি যদি এটা example লোৱা A equal to মই consider কৰিছো 1 2 3 and B equal to 3 4 and 5 A difference B কিমান থাকিব তোমাৰ sure 1 2 আকৌ B difference A কি থাকিব definitely কি থাকিলে তোমাৰ 4 5 therefore A symmetric difference B means what A difference B union B difference A কোন থাকিব 1 2 4 5 that is the answer okay that is the A symmetric difference what B okay next I am going to discuss about the complement of sets eta set or complement ka kwa complement of sets complement of a set okay say if we consider U be the universal set here loss 1 2 3 4 A be the subset of U 1 and 3 loss now A complement means what not A that means universal set or pra ka kotrai dia A kotrai disu universal set or pra ka kotrai dise tomoi A kotrai dise that means universal set ot ki ase 1 2 3 4 minus 1 3 definitely kun thaki jabo tomar 2 4 that is the A complement in a set builder form you can define like that x such that x is belongs to U ase kot nai x is does not belongs to set A thakibo nore eto hoise tomar set builder form oti define koribo pari okay complement of a set in a Venn diagram you can define like that তুমি এটা Venn diagram draw কৰো এটো এটা set লৈছো A set বাহিৰটো তোমাৰ আছে তাৰ ইউনিভার্সাল সেটটো এটো ইউনিভার্সাল সেট এটো সেট A তে A complement means are not A খিনি লব নোৱাৰ এই বাহিৰৰ সেটেড পোরশন খিনি আউটাৰ পোরশন okay that is the complement of set what A clear these are the operations of what sets now here we consider some property from complement of sets যদি তোমাৰ এটা ইউনিভার্সাল সেট লোৱা তাৰ কমপ্লিমেন্ট কৰিলে কি হ'ব তোমাৰ অলৱেজ 5 আহিব ইউনিভার্সাল সেটটো যদি কমপ্লিমেন্ট কৰিছে আৰু এলিমেন্ট না থাকে 5 আহিব আকৌ 5 যদি কমপ্লিমেন্ট কৰা কি পাই যাবা তুমি ইউনিভার্সাল সেট কি পাবা তুমি ইউনিভার্সাল সেট ওকে নেক্সট আৰু এটা প্ৰপাৰ্টি আছে A ইউনিয়ন A কমপ্লিমেন্ট A আৰু A কমপ্লিমেন্টৰ যদি এটো A সেট আকৌ A কমপ্লিমেন্ট মানে বাহিৰখিনি যদি ইউনিয়ন কৰি দিয়া তেতিয়ালে কি পাই যাবা তুমি গুটে ইউনিভার্সাল সেটটো পাবা number 4 A intersection of A complement A আৰু A to A set A intersection মানে বাহিৰৰ A portion খিনি A complement বুজাই আছে এই বাহিৰৰ A portion সেটেড portion এটাটো কমন কোনো নাই এখানে is equal to কি হ'ব তোমাৰ 5 আহিব okay the properties are what U complement is equal to 5 और 5 complement is equal to what U hobo A union A complement hole guti U set to ahibo A intersection of A complement is equal to k hobo 5 these are the properties of complement of a set